Right, what are we doing then, Bob?
We're going on a wood run.
We got to this dano now on day 3 after our wet paddle, and we've got 2 lengths of timber here that are usable. Everything else and the wood pile is green, so we're going to go for a nice stroll into the woods on this. The island's not very big, but we're doing a bit of wood forage now. If we can just drop 1 or 2 nice ones, at least then we got a chance then in case we got to stay another night.
Why so high? Well, they're emergency.
We're looking for the dead standing now, so at this time of year, obviously, we're in evergreens now. It's to look up, and then we've got every chance then, because if it's a dead standing one, there's absolutely no green on it. At this time of year, it should be full. Somebody slept here last night. Oh, it's the rain washed. Let's put a ridge. Oh, that's the outside of their tent mark, look. So somebody slept here in the last day or 2. Ooh, there's bears.
Shit over there.
Yes, nice. Even though this... Is there a toilet here? I think there was one down the bottom, isn't there?
Oh yeah, I can see it over there.
There we are. So we do have compost toilets, yet they'll still come out of whatever tent they're camping in and literally take a shit wherever they want. There we are, there's a dead standing birch there now, where Rob is. So we'll take that down and take it back, and then we'll have a look for another couple, and we should be right for firewood. I'll do, Rob, just push it over. I'll walk a base away now. Obviously you can't really do that with a big tree, but it's small enough that you can take it down with a small folding pocket. So
hopefully up the top will be quite dry. It's a bit moist by here, but the top's looking good.
Cool, that's one bit. Right, I'll walk it up our way.
Oh, that'll burn. Oh, that'll burn.
And there's another one just next to it. Absolutely nothing, no branches at the top, no leaves. So we take that and get it all back to camp.
We're doing well.
We'll have enough to get some bread on the go. Robbie's got his camera out now because he likes to talk to himself a lot.
if I want a sensible answer, then I am forced to talk to myself.
Thank you.
Rob's got 240, what now, 8?
46, that's
246 subscribers. He's also got 245 email accounts. Work it out. Rob's making a bread mix. I'm knocking the air, putting air back into it, into the flour. Wonder what the noises are. The great Marcus Allam of Green Outdoor is smashing things to pieces and stocking all the wood up. And that's the great Mr. CNC Russell Fielding. He's just chopped and split a cord of wood over there, and a wee shaving sticks, making some nice feather sticks for the fire. Same as me, I'm knocking stuff up now. Some nice curls there, man. That's out of a bit of seasoned spruce. We've got loads of birch we just cut, because for some reason in the last like 6 to 8 years there's never any firewood at the Dano sites anymore, so we've got to go foraging for it. There used to be piles of it brought in by the rangers so that people wouldn't go out cutting, and it hasn't been here for a long time.
The problem is, a lot of people that come here are holiday makers in the holiday season, and they don't know the difference between greenwood and deadwood.
It's surprising, even though we're now at the start of the off season, beginning of September, and surprising when we get to a Dano site how much green branches and things that are broken around, piled up for people to burn, and well, greenwood is not going to burn.
What do you use there, Scott?
Well, I just fished this wood out of the lake. So I thought I'll fish it out of the lake and see if I can burn frozen wet wood.
So as we all know, frozen wet wood burns less better than wood which is not frozen and lead.
Well, any muppet can light really dry firewood.
You alright, Mum? Need a drink or something?
Just back on the, bring it back to the boil now, and then just keep a minute rolling boil, and then it's coming off, coffee's ready.
Right, might think about hotel rooms soon, boys and girls.
It's like a Chinese laundry here. We're drying all our canoe kit that we wore today to paddle here. We did a big 1500 metre portage with the canoes and all our kit. And now we're on an island now. Crockcoman, South Crockcoman Dano hut. There's all firewood that the boys have split. I mean, Rob felled earlier. All wood on the fire, coffee's on, and this is our camp for tonight. This is camp number 3. Right then. Charging it now with my big blue 28 watt solar charger that I picked up. Big blue, bit of blue for dads. So I've got the phone on charge now. After that lovely wet paddle, we're getting all the lines up to dry our clothes out. The rain's not over yet for today, but we got a nice sunny spell, so I thought I'd better get the phone on charge. Save my battery packs. Yeah, fine.
Right, whose is who? That's mine, yeah. This is in a bit worse state as well.
Well, good morning, folks. What day is this today? I don't know.
Wednesday.
It's Wednesday today, day 4. It looks like we're going to stay in this camp again today. Yeah, if you look around, the sun is out. Do you like my hat? The sun is out, but the forecast is heavy rain from 10 o'clock this morning through till about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. So we've got to get a load of prep in and get a tarp up over the fireplace and load more firewood. So we're going to get the fire going and get the coffee on now, because we both bleary eyed and we look tired. Rob's got a halo above his head, look.
Yes.
Fucking stinks better. Here's our toilet facility, the Puppenhausen. They're actually not too bad. It does smell a little bit this morning. God knows what it smells like in the heat of the summer, but they're actually quite good. Oh, we have a little woodland elf robbing trees. Don't worry, he's not denuded in the forest. He's just thinning out the stock to leave light through to the forest floor to improve habitat. Actually, we're cutting poles to get our tarp up over the fire because the rain is coming and it's in for 12 hours. So Marcus is going to clean him off with his massive axe. Go and find another.
That was all by sight, wasn't it?
Whistle's been wood chopping.
We've now put up a tarp because this forecast is stinking from 12 o'clock on. So we're going to hole up in this stand now for a night. Bacon's on the go, eggs are boiled.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4,
There's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd.
Right, I come out for a stroll now and just gonna have a look now to see if I can find some sort of wood that I can carve with. The rain hasn't come in yet, but it's due. We've got a big tarp up over the fire. So if I'm going to be sitting now for the rest of the day and the evening, I need something to do, so I'm going to carve. So you can see over there, see, where are we? I can't get the finger on it. That there, island, is where we stayed a couple of years ago. We passed there yesterday. I think I did take footage of it. There was 3 canoes and a good few tents up on the Dano site. So we're now on this island. And we stayed last night, but we've cut a load of timber today. Now we've got enough to get us out through this rain tonight. We've got showers and sunny spells tomorrow. We're going to move tomorrow to another big island over that way. I think we've got, what do we think now? 3 nights, 4 days left, and then till we got to get back to the camp. There's a lot of beaver activity on this island. You can see that it's taken this birch down, and that's quite a long length. They've taken actually some big lumper trees down, at least 15-16 inch diameter. You can see trees down on the bank there. Beaver have taken all of these down. I don't know if you can see it across the water as well. When we came from that channel up there yesterday, the other side of the island, all the way down this narrow channel, it's all beaver fell trees, and we have seen the odd beaver lodge. But he's taken that down, and that's a lovely dead standing one for me now, and that's going back for firewood.
Due to atmospheric pressure and wind and cold and damp, it took a while, but I managed it. So we'll be having that either this evening or tomorrow.